What's up, everybody, man? Listen, I'm out here giving real life gems. You good, bro? Don't even worry about it. You know what I'm saying? I'm giving real life gems. I'm dropping gems, giving people what they pay for. A lot of people like, oh, bro, you be paying people to make vouch videos for you. Or y'all be saying a lot of stuff, but at the end of the day, the people who I make these videos with actually invest in themselves. They actually want to learn. And when I call them, I actually teach them a lot of information. I give them the information that they need to succeed. So let them know what you got.
Man, y'all better start window shopping, cause man taught me how to make my business the right way, how I can get student loans, free money for years, and just how to, you know what I'm saying, plug the system and get free cards without having to pay for somebody else to get a middleman cloning myself. But hey, that's a whole nother information, you know. I
Facts.
appreciate you, my boy, no cap.
All day. Now y'all see what it is, man. What we talking on? Because I don't want to show your name because people get to write you being weird and shit. What we write? What we talking on?
Man, Telegram.
Man, make sure y'all tap it in, man. Make sure y'all come to get y'all gems. Make sure y'all come to get y'all limited gems. Make sure y'all booking y'all in-person limited gems with the crypto tour. Make sure y'all get y'all credit lessons. Make sure y'all getting ordered because I'm really out here giving gems, dropping gems, good information. I might take a little long because I'm one person. I got hundreds of people that I'm working with. And like I said, how long we been on the phone?
Man, a good 30, 45 minutes, boy.
And that's probably the at the least we gonna talk. I'll be on the phone
Okay.
for hours and hours, but we only been on the phone because he already had information. I already taught him information. He already had information that he already gathered, so he already know what he want to do. There's only a slight information that he needed to succeed and get to going. All right, so make sure y'all tap it in. Make sure y'all come get y'all gems. Make sure y'all book y'all lessons. Make sure y'all payment ready. Make sure y'all money on your cash out balance. Do not hit me if you're not cash ready. Don't hit me if you're not ready to invest. And I promise you, you ready to invest, I'm gonna make sure you be blessed. All right, it's your boy King Hussle. I'll see you all at the next vouch video. Peace.